So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it. Now that we've done a full circle though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side at the bottom there, we have the rev counter. Below that, the total miles for the car. They are 43,893. Over to the bottom right-hand corner, we have the coolant temperature gauge and fuel gauge. And of course, in the middle, you can see the digital readout for the speedometer. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our cruise control and speed limiter, stereo and phone controls, and over in the center, the touchscreen itself. So you can access, of course, your radio. This vehicle's got DAB, AM and FM radio, USB input, iPod input as well. You can pair up your phone, and as you can see there, we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available when you do so. Below that, we have the main volume for the stereo. We then have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction that the air is being distributed in, which you can do on the main screen just there. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning's on at the minute, so that's off, back on, or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature that you've asked for, or temperature just here, by taking control of the fan speed and direction of the air. You can override that whenever you wish to. With a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and the same for the passenger side. USB input and a 12-volt charging socket underneath that. We then have the parking sensors you can turn on and off. You can turn off the interior alarm for the car, the lane departure warning system. You can put the car in sport mode. You can also turn off the stop and start. This vehicle is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. And then finally, we have the 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at MJA Car Sales. We'd love to hear from you soon.